back on my life with regrets because at the time I loved my social identity of being the tough guy and being popular because of football. I realize that some of this might be shocking for some of you reading this, but anything I've portrayed to anyone in the past 6 years has been a lie to conceal my secret struggle.
Η κρυφή εσωτερική μάχη του Zac Easter είναι απλώς καθημερινότητα για χιλιάδες παιδιά αθλητές αποφάσισε πως η δική του ζωή θα γινόταν το πραγματικό κράνος για τους υπόλοιπους αθλητές.
I know there's a kid out there going through something similar to what I went through. This kid's not quite sure why he changed all of a sudden. He's always scared to tell anyone about the pain because he doesn't even understand it himself. Spread the word of mental illness and concussions, and over time, please spread my story.
Mom, I want my brain donated to science so that I can help someone else.
Young Indianola man took his own life because he believed he was suffering from the crippling effects of CTE.
Zac shot himself in the heart at Lake Aquabi, taking care not to damage his brain that he believed had been ravaged by chronic traumatic encephalopathy.
Με το κυνηγετικό όπλο του πατέρα του, ο Ζακ έβαλε τέλος στη ζωή του σε ηλικία 24 ετών. 5 μήνες αργότερα, επιβεβαιώθηκε πως πράγματι έπασχε από χρόνια τραυματική εγκεφαλοπάθεια που είχε προκληθεί από τα συνεχή χτυπήματα στο κεφάλι.
And knowing that his last wishes was to give somebody else hope, it's brought us a little peace.